Well, we got the fire going. The fan's turning. It is 71 degrees in the house. And when we came home from church at 1 o'clock, it said it was 39 degrees outside. The deer hunt's still going. And since nobody felt like it was a good idea to go hunting on the Sabbath, we were going to go take our remote controls out to the ramp park and see if we can drive our Latrax out there, and the boys are going to drive their Traxxas machines. So Jess is in there sleeping, and Chad Man's upstairs sleeping, and off we go. All right, here's the ramp park. It's a skate park, but you can see there's a ramp here. There's one that goes up and then down. There's a big one back in the back, right back there, that goes up. We have some new over here.
We're gonna try to get this up it.
That one's got some noises coming out of it, so hopefully it'll build up enough steam to do it.
It's got pretty good traction.
These ones are great crawlers, but this one has more speed. And since that's slick out there, the Defenders can't get all the way up because they slide too much. So we're gonna see if we can build up some steam and see if that'll work. Okay.
Can I be the first one that tries to drive up it with the tracks?
No, I will be. It's mine. Okay, Case is already ruining his pants. Sliding down the...
This is somebody else's. Wait a minute. This one's mine.
Okay, let's go.
Then this one...
Alright, I don't know if I can film this and drive at the same time. Here, you want to film this for a second?
Sure.
This is Cash, guys. He's going to pause. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to go start over there, okay?
Oh, okay. I'll follow you. This isn't what we want to show. Not yet. Okay, go. Can't make it up there. Oh!
I broke it.
Your body just moved.
I gotta get that body pin.
Ooh, man. Where's your body pin that's pushed back there?
I don't know, I lost it.
What if we put a leaf in it?
One more time. Here we go. I'm gonna try this one right here.
That one? Oh! So close. Come on, Dad! Oh! Oh my gosh. Don't run me over! Oh. You just jumped over again! That'll never happen again! No! Not under any likely circumstances. I got it! What is it? Did you break an arm?
No, my shock is all wore out.
Oh.
See, now it's sitting all cockeyed.
That's alright.
Alright, here we go.
You can still drive at least. Plow through that. Oh.
4M, buddy.
Huh?
4M.
Oh, okay. Ooh. That was fun, huh?
Yeah.
That was fast enough. I bet he could jump that. Hey, Dad, I wonder if you could go up this one. Oh. Got it on film. You might want to back up.
Hey, step over by the cage, buddy.
Jump.
Okay, watch out, case boy.
Go. Oh, you can make it up.
Try it, just put it down. It's okay.
That was kind of cockeyed.
Okay, move your 4M.
Katie, there you go. Okay,
Here we go.
go.
Watch out, Case. I don't want to hit you in the face. Ready, Cash?
Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Is it rat?
No.
Nope. Oh, I drove off the backside. All right, Cash guy, I'll film and you can drive your 4M.
Oh, you wrecked. Look at all the leaves back here. That's going to be nice to drive through.
Well, the Defenders, they might not go as fast, but they're a lot tougher. This one's got a shock problem. I got to get some shocks underneath it. This shock is all wore out. But she's still fun to play with. I got to get a body pin in there or two. Let's turn it off. Cash is still taller. Okay, go drive it, buddy.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh. That's such a lovely.
You lose your Traxxas?
Oh, we gotta go find Kate's truck. We got a rescue mission. Rescue mission. Yes.
Can you get up that one, Case? Case? Don't kick it. Did you find it? There it is. There's Cash, guys. Whoa, Cash guy.
You probably buried yourself. What's this?
Whoa!
Seriously?
Caser boy's over here for Baja on it in the leaves. Oh, but up. Come on, little green one. There he is. Do that again, Case.
Stop driving in the leak. Damn. I got it stuck again, Dad.
Yep. Crawl up, buddy. Crawl. Go in the corner. See how it's thicker in the corner over there? There you go. Crawl. Oh, Caser boy, help Cade Bug get up. Go crawl. Good job, Case. Uh-oh, Cash guys. Come on, Cash guy, don't get stuck. Oh.
I'm trying not to get stuck. I stepped on my phone. Yes, I got it. Look at all the leaves I have.
Oh my goodness.
Dad, start filming.
Come on, little blue one. Oh, the blue one tipped over. Hey, your 4M matches your hoodie.
I know, that's what I wanted. Look at this.
Come on, there it is, there it is. Hey, right here. Look right here. Right here. Nah. Hey, don't kick it.
You keep losing them, Dad. Dad, look at this part. Look at this part. Dad, right here.
Perfect. Whoa.
This is ooh, perfect spot. Ooh,
Uh-oh. Cash guy ran into the chain. What's Caser Boy doing? He's hiding his Traxxas.
No, he's trying.
I see movement.
You got this.
There he is. Boom! And they run into each other. Katie's Buck's got the idea. He can see everything from up there.
Oh, yeah. Guys, I lost my truck again. Can't find it. I think I'm stuck.
Okay, go forward.
Hold my remote.
Go forward.
But I can't see. I need your help. I can't find that truck.
All right.
Hey, this truck's still on. I want to drive too.
Let other kids, other people drive. Oh, look at that. Where's your 4M, Kate?
Go get it. On the top of that. Your truck is still on.
I should have filmed that. That was cool. I was too busy watching it and not filming it. Oh, you're gonna kill my remote. Hey, let's not go off the edge. Oh. Oh. Hey, Cade. Cade. Let somebody else drive it. Hey, let somebody else drive it if you're going to be hitting people.
I do.
Okay, let Cash drive it.
So do I have to get Case or something or what? No. Baby, he's right here.
Whoa! Yep. You made it higher than I did.
Yeah. I like to pull the trigger all the way. Boom!
Hey, Case and Kate, how often have I told you, do not hit somebody else?
Hey, he was trying to hit. I follow you, Cash.
No.
Hey, Dad, your truck is gone. No, it's not. No, it's not.
How come you got all sorts of leaves in your hair?
Cause Case and me buried me.
Are your hands cold, buddy? Cash guy, let Case or boy drive it before the batteries die.
Can I have like 2 more minutes?
I guess. No. We're gonna have to do a Latrax mechanic shop. Oh, I'm sorry, K-Bug. And get everybody's Latrax working. I think Cade's works.
No.
No, yours doesn't? Oh yeah, you have a broken A-arm. Cash has a broken something linkage.
It doesn't have a broken anything.
Yours is okay. Case's is the one that has a broken linkage. So yeah. Now Case is driving mine. The Latrax seems to be a lot better in the skate park.
Oh. Hey, Case, can I play with your
Oh, Case boy, the battery's dying, buddy. Yep, the battery's dying. I'm sorry, buddy. You okay?
I think I should run home and get my Latrax.
No, the battery's dead. Try it one more time, Case. See if you can get it over there. Yep. I'm sorry, buddy. There it goes, here 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 it goes.
Why don't I just run home and grab my Latrax?
The end. That's
be
alright.
so fun.
You guys just drive your Traxxas.
6x6, that was off the computer.
Alright. Well, are you cold?
A little.
Yeah. What?
Not cold.
Not cold? What about you, K-Bug?
No.
No? Okay. Well, I'm cold. Not 100% feeling better yet from my sinus infection. So we're gonna go home. It's now 4:30, 41 degrees still, but that wind, oof, that wind makes it -40. Not really, huh? Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Caser boy.
Burnt out the battery in this.
Yep. Caser boy found himself another car.
Vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom, little Hot Wheels. Yep. Alright.
There's that dumb truck that kept passing our house.
Yeah.
It got boring.
Boring.
Like the first 550,000 times. Like the first 5 times it was fun. But the next time, it grew more.
right ahead of us is the Gilberts. That's where we got one of our couches from. And then you have MacBrings over here. That's Tom MacBring. And then you have Lee MacBring over here, if I remember correctly. Yeah, this is so Jesse Gilbert's wife is a MacBring. Then you have Leon MacBring down there. And that's that. How do you feel about that? Tired. And then you come down here a little bit further and then it becomes the Guyman Road. All the people on this side of the road are Guymans. Not all the people. Some people. That's a Guyman. That's a Guyman. This is a Guyman. Hi guys. See, that's Sister Johnson, who was a Guyman. Yes. And she got remarried.
With who?
Brother Johnson.
Where is that?
He passed away.
And what happened to Brother Tom?
He passed away too. He got in a snowmobile accident.
Yikes.
Yeah.
What happened with Brother Johnson?
He just got old, passed away.
Oh. Dad,
Hmm?
is there a mountain called Flat Top?
Probably somewhere, not anywhere that I know of, but there probably is a mountain called Flat Top.
Is there a
We got a
mountain-
panel over here we need to pick up still.
Is there a mountain called Old Flat Top?
I don't know.
Is there a mountain
Probably. There's the old flour mill.
Dad?
Yep.
Where's the Rocky Mountains?
We're in the Rocky Mountains. That right there is Rocky Mountains.
Oh.
There's the house and the trailer and the Durango and the truck
In the garbage can?
and the garbage can and the lawnmower trailer.
And in 2 days, it's Halloween and garbage.
What are you going to be for Halloween?
A Lego Ninja. Lego Fireman.
A Lego
A
Ninja.
Lego Builder.
Okay, a Lego Builder.
Lego Ninja.
Lego Ninja.
Lego Fireman.
Wow, where did you get your Legos from?
Grandma's.
How did she make them?
Boxes.
They're pretty cool, huh?
And guess what? Cups, plastic, paint.
Hmm.
Spray paint. Cloth.
Very good.
Hey, Dad,
Hey, Cade.
I got a Lego fireman, like, really, and a fireman.
Is that right?
A Lego fireman again.
Huh. That's pretty crazy. Guess what I'm going to be?
Dad.
An IFA employee. I already got my costume.
You wear your costume every single day.
That's silly, isn't it? All right, we made it home.